Hi everybody, some of you are having problems uploading photos, so I wanted to show you how to upload one. So you're going to go here where it says submissions and click submit assignment. Then you're going to go, you can do one of two things. You can go to create and then come over here and insert content, image media, and upload media. You can attach a file. Here's me. Click open. Yay, that worked. Or then you're going to do submit, right? This is where you can also, this is a good one where you can type things too. Hi, this is me. And then you click submit. I'm going to do cancel though, because I'm going to show you the other way. So there are two ways. Click submit. And then right here where it says file, click that. Choose your photo. Open. And then you can add a comment here. And then also you just submit it. If that doesn't work, let me know and I'm happy to help you. Hopefully you know how to take a photo with your phone or your computer. If you don't know how to do that, maybe ask mom or dad first before me, since I can't see what you have. And good luck. The internet is your friend. Search things, okay? All right, bye.